Hey guys! Unfortunately, it's been a while since we've last seen each other.
I was fighting the nastiest flu I've ever faced.
Someone just had to get sick.
It's the way it goes. But we wanted to update you on what's going on with our channel.
Now, unfortunately, here at We Suck, we have very demanding schedules that makes it hard to create quality content on a week-by-week basis.
I have 3 jobs, and I'm currently in grad school.
I am an undergraduate right now and plan to do graduate school afterwards.
And Juan is working on 2 certificate programs in film production.
That being said, we are still committed to producing quality videos that you will enjoy.
It's for that reason that we've decided to change how we work so that we can ensure that we're going to bring you quality content that you're going to love.
We're going to take a short hiatus to produce 24 episodes of content that you love and then release them once we've completed filming,
including a brand new series that we will release details of later on. We will do this, take a short break, and repeat. And that's how you can expect our content to come out for the foreseeable future.
However, just because we're going to be taking the time to produce these videos doesn't mean that we're going to be completely gone.
In the meantime, we will be releasing update videos and maybe some behind the scenes content.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media. Juan, can you put up the handles right there? We have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, so that you can keep up to date with everything We Suck at Cooking.
I'm Oso.
I'm Jay.
And for Juan and everyone here at We Suck at Cooking, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on a future episode of We Suck at Cooking.